Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you need to find the video you want to download. So, you can just open any preferred browser and search for youtube.com. After that, search for the target video. Now, all you need to do is get to the video player. After you've got to the video, then all you need to do is scroll down, go to the right of the video player, and you should see an option for downloading. Simply click on it and download the video. Note that you will need to have something called YouTube Premium, which is a subscription to YouTube, and there are other benefits to it as well. When you've got Premium, you can then click on the download button, and the video will start downloading. So that's basically how you can download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.